During their formative years, our kids will spend more waking hours at school than at home. 17,000 hours. That makes me think hard about the school I choose for my child. Of course, we all want a school that offers an academically rigorous experience, where our children are challenged to be scholars and are given numerous extracurriculars and opportunities to explore. But that's not all I want for my child. I also want a school that cares about building their character, one that shares my family's values they can see modeled in relationships with their peers and their teachers. A school where teachers feel called to love my children, to strengthen their faith, and to help them identify the influences of our world and teach them how to navigate those with love and truth. In a world full of influencers, who will influence your children for those 17,000 hours? We would love to have you and your family join us at Traders Point Christian Schools.